Hi, I'm Gabe Prater with Geoprobe Systems, here today to talk to you about our new factory integrated telemetry. If your rig's not in the field, it's not making money. Let me tell you how Geoprobe's integrated telemetry helps prevent that. In the telemetry screen, you can see your fuel burn, engine hours, fault codes, and GPS location data. This system was designed for use with Geoprobe rigs, so the data is immediate, clean, and easy to use. You can also see where this machine is at in its maintenance cycle, which lets you plan service before breakdowns cause a cancellation. By spotting issues early, you can keep the rig operational and in the field making money. And if land access ever becomes an issue, the GPS data gives you proof that the rig stayed within approved areas. Best of all, your driller and your Geoprobe service technician are viewing the same data, which helps for faster troubleshooting and zero miscommunication. The overall goal is simple: keep your rig working in the field and generating billable hours. If you have any more questions, please visit our website or call us at 785-825-1842. Thank you.